Check out this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. The sunroof lets fresh air in. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: passenger airbag, stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.